I got this Mickey Mouse 90th anniversary twin bed set off of Amazon. It was $59. This is a 5-piece set. Just take it out of the bag. This is the Jay Franco set. It's 100% polyester. So here's the comforter. And inside the comforter, there are 2 pillowcases. So here's one pillowcase. Here's the other pillowcase with the Mickey logo. This is the fitted sheet. So if we open that up, you can see it's the fitted sheet. And here is the flat sheet. So I'm gonna wash all these before I put them on the bed. I also got Mickey and Pluto from Walmart. They were $7 a piece. I got this white Utopia bed skirt. It's helpful if you have a metal bed frame. It's also polyester, so you can wash it with the sheets. Now that everything's washed, we need to put the bed skirt on the box spring. Just place the bed skirt on top. Now I have the bed back on the box spring. Here's the bed with the fitted sheet and all the different looks of Mickey. Now the flat sheet is on top of the fitted sheet. This is how the bed looks with the comforter on it. So this is the gray side with all the Mickeys, which is similar to the sheets. So let's flip it over. Here's the other side of the comforter. Now I have both Mickey pillows on the bed. And finally, here's the bed with Mickey and Pluto. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.